girl named Piccola. But before starting with the chapter, let's discuss about the months in a year. As we all know that there are 12 months in a year, but December remained favorite for kids. And I know why. Because in December, there is a festival called Christmas. And on Christmas, children receive gifts and many toys. So that's why it is one of the favorite festival of children and a favorite month for the kids also. So in this chapter also we will read about the Christmas gift that Piccola receives. So let's see what gift Piccola received and how she receives. Piccola and her mother lived in a very small town in Italy. They were very poor. वो एक स्मॉल टाउन में रहते थे इटली के और बहुत गरीब थे. पिकोला मदर शी हैज टू वर्क वेरी हार्ड टू अर्न अ लिविंग. सो व्हेन द मदर वाज गॉन शी वाज अलोन लेफ्ट अलोन ऑल डे. वो घर पे पूरा दिन अकेले रहती थी. एज दे वर वेरी पुअर शी वाज नॉट हैविंग एनी टॉयज टू प्ले, बट स्टिल शी वाज अ वेरी कंटेंटेड चाइल्ड. कंटेंटेड मीन्स सैटिस्फाइड. सैटिस्फाइड मीन्स उसके पास जितना था वो उसमें खुश थी. शी नेवर कंप्लेन्स कि मेरे पास ये नहीं है वो नहीं है. शी वॉज अ वेरी कंटेंटेड चाइल्ड. देयर वाज अ स्मॉल होल इन अ स्टोन वॉल इन अ बैकयार्ड. पिकोला लव्ड टू लुक थ्रू इट. पिकोला के बैकयार्ड के वॉल में जो होल था वहां से वो देखती थी टू द नेबर्स गार्डन एंड she saw the kids are playing in the garden and she can smell the sweet fragrance of the flowers also. So she was very happy. She enjoyed very much to look through that hole. One day the children were chasing their kitten and they came close to Piccola. एक बार वहाँ पे बच्चे खेलते खेलते उस वॉल के पास आए and they were chasing their kitten and then they saw that one girl was peeping through that hole. But they were scared. उन्हें डर लगा कि पता नहीं कौन ऐसे पीप कर रहा है, कौन है ये लड़की. They did not talk to Piccola. उन्होंने उससे बात नहीं करी, बस उसको देखकर चले गए. But Rose, the oldest girl, went to the wall and talked to Piccola. पर उसमें जो सबसे बड़ी लड़की थी, the oldest girl, her name was Rose. She went to the wall, near the wall, and she talked to Piccola. वहाँ जाके उसने Piccola से बात करी. When they came to know that Piccola has no one to play, they start talking to Piccola every day. उन्हें पता चला कि Piccola के पास कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं है, कोई टॉयज नहीं है, तो वो Piccola से बात करने लगे और उसके फ्रेंड्स बन गए. Soon the children asked their father to make a hole a bit larger so that Piccola can come into and play with them. फिर फादर से कहा कि पापा इस होल को प्लीज थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर दीजिए so that Piccola can come inside the garden through that hole and we can play together. So their father agreed and soon they started playing with each other and they became good friends. In December, the children started talking about Christmas. अब December आ गया, बच्चों ने Christmas के बारे में बात करना शुरू कर दी. So they asked Piccola, what she hope for the Christmas present? Then Piccola was confused. What do you mean? I don't know anything about it. Then the Rose asked in surprise. Rose तो surprise ही हो गई. Piccola, you don't know about the Christmas. Then Piccola replied. Piccola said, of course I know about Christmas. Christmas is a very happy day and on this day Jesus Christ was born. So I know what Christmas is about, but I don't know what you're talking about the present. I have no idea about the Christmas presents. Then Rose told her about the Jolly Claus, whom you also known as a Santa Claus. He with his red cheeks, white beard and a sleigh full of toys. Sleigh means a vehicle that slides over snow and it is pulled by horses. So sleigh is a vehicle in which Santa Claus comes and his sleigh is full of toys. Then on every Christmas Eve, he comes down to the chimney and fills the stockings of all the good children. जितने भी अच्छे बच्चे हैं वो सबकी stockings को gift से fill कर देते हैं. So you should also hang the stocking this Christmas. Maybe you get a lovely present from Santa Claus. So on the Christmas Eve, Piccola and her mother get ready for the bed. On the day of Christmas, both of them got ready for the bed. Then Piccola suddenly remembered, okay, Rose told me about the stockings. Let us try this. चलो मैं भी stocking hang करके देखती हूँ. Then what she did? She just hang some stockings. She thought of hanging some stocking and she couldn't find one क्योंकि उसके पास कोई stockings ही नहीं थी. She became very sad. बहुत sad हो गई. But suddenly she remembered, okay, what so if I am not having the stockings, I am having a wooden shoe. She put one shoe beside the chimney, murmuring, Santa Claus will know that I have kept my shoe because I was not having the stockings. Murmuring means speaking in a low voice. उसने हल्की सी आवाज में बोला कि Santa Claus को तो पता है ना मेरे पास stockings नहीं है. That's why I have kept the shoe. So after keeping the shoe, she went to bed and the next morning she woke up. She was very happy and started shouting, Mother, Mother, look at the present Santa Claus gave me. It's a tiny little swallow. She was very happy. She received a gift. She showed her Christmas present to all her friends. उसने proudly अपने Christmas present को सारे friends को दिखाया. Rose also gave her a chocolate box. Rose ने भी उसको क्रिसमस पे बॉक्स ऑफ चॉकलेट दिया and she was the happiest girl in the Italy. वो इतनी ज़्यादा खुश थी that she was the happiest girl. Okay, now you have to tell me, have you ever got any Christmas